Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Alphabet, Amazon. All of these incredible companies have surpassed the coveted $1 trillion market capitalization milestone. In fact, Apple is approaching $3 trillion at a market cap of $2.78 trillion, with Microsoft close behind at a market cap of $2.44 trillion. However, in this video, I'm going to highlight one fantastic stock that could join these incredible companies in the $1 trillion club. So what is that stock? Tesla. Tesla boasts a market cap of $842 billion, and it's already surpassed the $1 trillion market cap milestone at one time in its history, around 2022, when it had a much higher valuation. However, given that the trends worldwide are for increasing electric vehicle adoption, I think Tesla is poised to join the other participants in the $1 trillion market cap club. Already, if you look at Tesla's revenue in the trailing 12 months, and I show you the history over the last several years, you can see Tesla's revenue showing exponential growth over the years. It just keeps getting better and better at generating revenue. Now, I will say that since competition has entered the fray, Tesla's profitability will take a hit and has taken a hit. Tesla's had to lower prices to maintain the same type of revenue growth it needs to achieve to expand its scale. However, that being said, Tesla should still be able to generate sufficient revenue growth over the next few years, perhaps even the next few decades, because Tesla is arguably the leading electric vehicle manufacturer and seller. There is hardly anyone that comes close in terms of scale, in terms of revenue, in terms of profit margin. So if you take a comprehensive look, you can certainly say Tesla is the best EV manufacturer seller. And you could see this in the company's operating profit margin. One of the things I most love to see when I'm making an investment or researching an investment is this increasing profit margin as revenue increases. It demonstrates to me economies in scale. It demonstrates to me the company is getting better at what it does. It's learning from its mistakes. It's learning from its success and getting better and expanding margins. And Tesla definitely demonstrates that. If you look from 2016 up to the latest update, its operating profit margin has expanded from negative 20% all the way up to 13.49%. Now, I mentioned this profit margin may come down a little bit more over the next several quarters, as Tesla has initiated several rounds of price cuts in order to sustain revenue growth. Although I do believe that that's going to increase overall operating income, even if it decreases the operating profit margin. Now, competition is no joke, and Tesla is facing severe increases in competition from legacy automakers and EV exclusive automakers alike. But like I mentioned, Tesla's in a significant lead, and it should be able to maintain that lead, although it will experience falling profit margins in the near term as industry participants ramp up production and really get a picture of what's going to be the market share at equilibrium once all of this growth has taken place. Once the industry reaches maturity, what's going to be the relative market share among the several EV participants? Nevertheless, Tesla is likely to be among the leaders. Even if it's not the best, it's likely to be up there among the top producers and sellers of electric vehicles, given its significant head start. Finally, Tesla's stock is not cheap. It's trading at a forward price to earnings of 54. And I say this with market cap. It's typically a combination of factors that leads to an increase in market capitalization. One of the factors is the earnings multiple, and I don't feel there's much room for Tesla's earnings multiple to expand from here because it's already so richly valued at a forward price to earnings of 54. Where I do believe the market cap will rise is an increase in the earnings. I think earnings will increase over the next several years, and even if the multiple stays the same, just because the earnings will increase, and if you multiply the same multiple to a bigger denominator, together that will give you a bigger market cap. And so for those reasons, I think Tesla is likely to join those envious participants in the $1 trillion market cap club.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.